Hi friends, today in this tutorial we will be talking about Omegle website. So basically guys, Omegle website is a anonymous text and video chatting kind of an application. You can see inside this figure, you have two options. Either you can text chat or video chat with random strangers around the world. And basically it also supports interest based matching. This is the most important feature of Omegle. Basically you can type any sort of interest, and based upon that interest you will be matched with the same kind of people. So this is overall website of Omegle, which offers anonymous chatting app. Now, guys, we will be talking about that who invented this awesome little website of Omegle. You will be wondering which person has developed it. This is a person. You can see the image of this person. So his name is Liv K. Brooks, and he's from United States, Seattle, Washington. And you will be very amazed to know that at very young age of 18, he made this awesome little website of Omegle in 2009. So this is the history of Omegle, that you are using this website for almost 13 years now, and this person has developed this website, a single person, not a team. So it's really nice to know. Now guys, I will be telling you that how Omegle website was developed, which technologies was responsible for making this awesome little website. So obviously guys, the web page that you see of omegle.com is obviously made of HTML, CSS for the styling. HTML is for the basic web view that you see. And on the client end side, on those days, on 2009 years, JavaScript was very much popular. For it was the only language for developing web pages, adding some interactivity. So JavaScript, yeah, it is used. And one such framework which is called as MoTools. MoTools is an alternative to jQuery, guys. It's a modular compact framework for experienced JavaScript developers to write cross-platform code. It is similar to jQuery, but it is somewhat advanced. So it is used inside Omegle. And on the backend side, guys, Omegle was using PHP. In those days, in those years, guys, Node.js was not popular. Node.js was not there. So PHP was the only option. So PHP was used, and a very good protocol, guys, which lets you communicate with the client and the server bidirectional, which is WebSockets. So WebSockets are used in real-time applications. So whenever you are building some kind of polling website, chatting website, so this WebSockets protocol is definitely used over the traditional HTTP protocol. So these are some of the technologies which was used inside the Omegle website. So now you can see that, guys, the Omegle traffic numbers. So basically it's a very popular website. The global rank, you can see 513. So you can see that all over the world people come to this website. Country rank, specifically for United States, it is 421. Category rank for specifically entertainment chatting website, it is almost 19. So, and you can see the total visits per month, 70 million, around 70 million users visit Omegle on a regular basis to chat with each other. And bounce rate is also impressive, 55. And the duration, you will see that 6 minutes 42 seconds each user engages with the Omegle website. So it's very much tremendous. So now talking about the alternatives, guys, that you can try apart from Omegle. So I think there are two basic alternatives out there, Immortal Chat and Chat Roulette. So basically, I think they are just kind of alternatives. They are not the real one. I think Omegle is the best website for random chatting with on the globe. So you should definitely try this website. I have explained you in this video about the technologies used in Omegle. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.